In a village of Tenali, there lived a young boy called Ramalingam. He was happy-go-lucky. He was sleeping under a tree. A saintly person approached him and said, "Come on, don't while away your time. Work hard, do something." Ramalingam said, "I do not have any skills. I do not have any education. What do I do?" So the sage said, "I will teach you a mantra. Go to the temple of Kali and Mother Kali will bless you." He took that mantra, went to the Kali goddess and started praying. Mother Kali became so pleased with the intensity of his prayer, she manifested in front of him and said, "Please ask for a benediction." Instead of asking for a benediction, Ramalingam looked at the goddess and started laughing. And Goddess Kali, with her hundreds and thousands of heads and hands, had never seen a scene like this before, because generally people would get terrified. And here was this young boy smiling and laughing. She said, "Why are you laughing?" And the young boy Ramalingam said, "Dear mother, please don't get offended. I am simply thinking, in case you get a cold and your nose starts running, how will you control the running nose with thousands and thousands of noses and heads?" Thinking of that scenario, I am laughing. Mother Kali was very happy to hear this kind of a reply from this boy. And she said, "You are very clever. I hereby give you the name Vikatak Kavi, one who is poetic and jestful." Ramalingam said, "Well, Vikatak Kavi is a palindrome, and V-Ka-Ta-Ka-Vi reads both ways the same way. And therefore, that is fine, but how will I actually have wealth?" So at that point, immediately, Mother Goddess Kali, she put her hands out and she said, "Well, I have two bowls. One is of gold, which contains milk with sweet, and the other is silver, which has sour curds. So what do you want? Sweet milk, which represents knowledge, or sour curd, which represents wealth?" So immediately Ramalingam said, "Why do you call it sour? Why are you comparing wealth with sour curd?" And Mother Goddess Kali, she said, "A lot of austerity and struggle is involved in earning wealth, and therefore wealth is compared to sour curd." And so immediately Ramalingam was looking at Mother Kali and he said, "Can I have a closer look at both?" And when Mother Kali brought her hands out, immediately he grabbed both the cups, silver and gold, and drank it. And Mother Kali looked at him and said, "Hey, why did you do this?" And he said, "What is the use of knowledge if there is no wealth? And what is the use of wealth if there is no knowledge? And therefore, I want to have both." And at this point, she was very happy to see his intelligent, witty nature and said, "You will spread joy and happiness to several people through your intellect and wit." And then ultimately, Ramalingam went on to become the famous Tenali Rama, one of the powerful Ratnas, jewels in the court of Krishna Deva Raya. Therefore, in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, it is described, "Buddhim buddhimatam asmi kama raga vivarjitam." The intelligence of the intelligent is represented by the Supreme Lord. Let us utilize this intelligence to really understand what is the real goal of our life, transform our consciousness, and become an instrument to spread service and joy.